If you've noticed yourself procrastinating while learning to code, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make coding more enjoyable. I'm going to be giving you a simple framework to make coding fun. I've made another video talking about this topic, so be sure to check it out after watching this video. So the first step in this 3-step framework is to find your hobby. Most people can quickly identify their hobbies, but if you can't, I've got something for you. Throughout the course of the week, try actively noting down what you fill up your time with. Now, this can be anything from watching Netflix to painting. So now that we've identified our hobby, we can go on to the next step, which is to get 10 to 20 reasons why we like our hobby. Now be sure to be precise here and not to be too vague, and write them down on a piece of paper. If your hobby is to play Minecraft for some reason, it might be because it gives you a feeling of achievement. So now the third step is to emulate those causes. Just try replicating the reasons you like your hobby in coding. If your hobby is riding a bicycle with your friends, for example, and the reason is because you like the sense of social connection, you might want to try coding while on a call with some friends. Of course, this framework cannot be useful for all cases, but for most of them, this should be really helpful. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.